Alright, I'm about to start the roush. Once again, it has rod knock, so y'all get to hear what it sounds like on a startup. It just be sitting out here. I start it here and there just to make sure the battery doesn't die, and so that everything circulates through it. You can hear it though, it don't sound bad right now. It'll sneak up on you though. The warmer the engine gets, the more pronounced it sounds. Sounds like a perfectly fine engine right now though, I'm not gonna lie. Damn, I don't know if it's ever sounded this quiet. And I'm not sure if it's because it's been out here for like a week and a half without being started, but it sounds regular.